Hey guys, this is Keith, your friend in the mortgage business. And today I'm going to talk to you about buying a home if you have student loans. So listen, student loans do not prohibit you from purchasing a home. What it does though is it lets the lender know, depending on what type of loan program you're going with, on what the calculation is for your monthly debt payment. So many of us that have student loans have zero interest, or it's income-based repayment, or you're not paying for anything until you get out of school, right? Well, the reality is if you're buying a home, the lenders don't wait. The lenders know at some point that you're going to have a payment associated with your student loans based on when at some point when you come out of deferment. So if you're doing a conventional loans, let's use easy numbers. If you have, let's say $100,000 in student loans. If you have $100,000 in student loans, conventional loans require us to use a 1% repayment. So 1% of $100,000 is $1,000 a month. If you're doing a government loan, FHA, VA, USDA, they take 0.5% of that same number, which is $500. So that's the payment that will associate to your debt that you currently have, even if you're in deferment. So when you're getting ready to buy a home, if you're sitting on student loans and you're like, oh my God, I'm not gonna be able to qualify, I owe too much, I'm not really sure what to do. Again, this is where is a good opportunity to sit down with somebody like myself. Let's unpack where you're currently at and take a look at what options are available for you. Don't let the student loans prohibit you from purchasing something, because inevitably you're gonna have to start making payments on them. And the payment will probably be higher than what the minimum payment is that we look at when you're in deferment. So if you're in the process of thinking of buying a home, you're just getting out of school, or you've been out of school for a little bit and now you're in your space of what you wanted to do for work or your career path, then listen, let's talk. It doesn't hurt to find out what's available to you. And so what I'd like you to do is call or text 603-759-8401. That's 603-759-8401, and just text student loans. Student loans. This is Keith. Until next time. Thanks.